Hey everybody! Today we are going to talk about how Japanese Satsuma crystal cups are made. Satsuma eggplant glass named Craft Gaze Gray. It's located in Samoding, Lower Island County. They make Satsuma eggplant glasses, a traditional handicraft passed down from the late Edo period. The special thing about this glass is that it is wrapped in transparent glass with colored glass. Fine cut. The beauty of color makes people look away. No more nonsense. Let's take a look at the production process of this beautiful crystal cup together today, and then it gets better. Please collect it first and enjoy it slowly. You start with the ingredients. They have Brazilian teeth, a mixture of silica and minerals. Add coloring chemicals to adjust the color. And then carrying vitrified glass, which is actually a co-solvent, because it's hard to melt with glass alone. Gotta add some helpers and throw it into the stove together. So now there is only truth, goodness, and beauty left in the body. The glass needs to be melted in a high-temperature shaker at about 1,400 degrees. Turn glass into liquid. To remove the impurities on the surface, make the glass surface clean. Use a blowpipe to take out an appropriate amount of melted transparent glass in a 1,200 degree furnace. Spin while blowing. Remove the appropriate amount of glass from the furnace again. The master stares with the naked eye and picks out the bubbles and impurities. And then color. Take an appropriate amount of colored glass and roll it into shape. Thickness is controlled by air blowing volume. And we blow the colored glass into the mold. Transparent glass squeezed in and melted together. The sense of hierarchy comes out. The molding is not super flavorful. They adjusted the air pressure with a cast iron mold, shaped the glass into the desired shape. After molding, the glass is cooled slowly in a cooling furnace at nearly 420 degrees for 16 hours. Otherwise, it will crack easily. It cools down and starts cutting. First, use a glass cutter to draw the original line. Then heat it with a burner to remove the excess. Check for bubble magazines or damage. Then use a diamond grinding wheel to cut to the specified size. Measure dimensions to create patterns. Draw lines on the glass surface as a shape reference. Install the diamond grinding wheel. So you start the machine, and it rotates, and it cuts out the patterns on the sides and the bottom, and it takes shape, and it takes shape. All of the world It's a meticulous job.
这是一个细活
Requires patience and fine carving. It's not an easy job. It takes super patience and care to polish beautiful patterns. Otherwise, the pattern will be crooked a little, and the whole cup will be wasted. We will find all for you. Next comes sanding, to grind rough areas with sharpening. Refine the bottom with a diamond grinding wheel. The crystal cup is already a little bit like this hand. The scratches on the polished glass give it a beautiful glow. Wash off the polishing powder on the surface of the crystal cup. The difference between before and after polishing is amazing. Each Satsuma lettering crystal cup is strictly inspected, signed after passing, finally pack a shiny crystal cup and you're done. As the saying goes, a good man depends on his clothes and a horse relies on his saddle. Their packaging is 3 inner and 3 outer layers, plus a wooden box. Otherwise, I'm sorry to ask for $500. The goods are well made and the packaging should also keep up. Yeah, how's that? Did you learn? In this way, an ordinary piece of glass raw material is turned into a crystal cup with a unique brilliance. If you like this kind of manufacturing demystification video, please like and follow the collection.